Hey kids, welcome to Kidopedia.
Multiplying a two-digit number by 11 is surprisingly easy. Just follow these steps. Take the two-digit number, for example, 34. Separate the digits, 3 and 4. Add the two digits together. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Place the sum in the middle of the two original digits. The answer is 374. But what about numbers where the sum is 10 or more? Let's try another example, 57. Separate the digits, 5 and 7. Add them together. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Place the 2 in the middle. And carry over the 1 to the first digit. So, 5 plus 1 equals 6.
You